I'm Janelle and this is toDIYfor. So I'm gonna show you some tie-dye today, which is super fun for kids, super fun for me. I just love unveiling the design because you never really know what you're gonna get when you are doing tie-dye. So it's really easy to do and you can do it naturally. So there are a number of different ways and foods that you can use to dye fabric naturally. I know that cabbage will give you a purple color. Apparently avocado skins will give you kind of a pink hue, but I'm gonna show you turmeric today. I find it to be the easiest way to get a very vibrant, bright color naturally. So let's get into the DIY. You might already have that spice in your cupboard. You're basically just gonna need some white cotton material. I'm dyeing a sweater and a pillowcase, and you're gonna need a ton of elastics. So what we're going to do here is one technique on this pillowcase. I'm gonna kind of accordion this back and forth. I'm gonna wrap it around with a couple of elastics. Make sure that's quite tight because that's gonna allow that mark there to still be kind of white and not get a lot of dye into it. As for the sweater, I kind of just went for free-for-all, a few twists here and there to kind of give a slight spiral effect, but kind of just bunching the sweater together in a lot of different ways on the sleeves, on the hood. The more you bunch it together means basically the less color will be showing. If you want a lot of yellow, don't bunch it together so much because more of the fabric will be exposed to the color. So for the turmeric, you're basically just gonna boil a big old pot of water and dump in 4 to 5 tablespoons of turmeric. Allow that to come to a boil. You're going to want to, in the meantime, dampen all of your fabric that you're dyeing. And if I hadn't already mentioned, cotton is the best fabric for this. So get it nice and damp with some cool water. I threw mine into a bucket and then I transferred the, hot turmeric water all over top. And turmeric is potent. This stuff will dye anything. So be careful. You probably want to put some gloves on and some old clothes in case of any splashback. So I honestly only left this in for less than 10 minutes because it's such a potent color and soaks in so deeply and quickly. I didn't want a very deep yellow. You could leave it in longer and it'll give you a more deeper, darker yellow. Once it's done, you basically just take it out and rinse it again in some really cold water until the water starts to run clear, and then you simply dry it. So I gotta know, which one was your favorite, the sweater or the pillowcase? Leave it down in the comments below, and I gotta say I'm probably leaning towards the sweater just because it's so cozy and perfect for cool summer nights, around the campfire, at a cottage, camping or something like that. And really, this is something that you can apply to anything white in your wardrobe. Just make sure that it's cotton. It's gonna take to that color a whole lot better. If you want a darker, more vibrant color, leave it in the turmeric a lot longer. But I really love it on the pillow as well. I think it'd be really fun to spice up some napkins or maybe some placemats for some more patio decor. Let me know though what you thought of this DIY. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and do not forget to share it with your friends. I just love sharing my DIY, so share it with whoever you want. But don't forget to subscribe because I will be back next Wednesday with a new video. Cheers.